A'udhu-billahi-minash-shaitanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu-alaikum and welcome to Urdu Master. You can master Urdu language. Just stay with us and try to follow our videos. This is a detailed video about different forms of Urdu alphabets. For example, when you see alif in mid of a letter, it is looking different from its original form, or you get confused between lam and alif. So this is a good lesson for you. Let us start from alif. In beginning of any word, it stays separate from other letters. Look at few examples. Ek, anar, aap, and when it is in mid, it will be connected with only those letters which comes before alif. For example, saal, sare, kafi, and when it is in ending, it looks same as when it is in mid. For example, gyara, sara. Differences between lam and alif. When lam is in starting, it is connected to other letters, but alif stays separate. And in mid, alif connects to those letters which comes before alif. But lam connects with all. And in ending, lam stays in its natural form and connects to other letters. And alif changes its form and connects with other letters. Look at few examples. Lal, Qil'a, Qalam, Rail, Bale. Actually they are not divided, but to understand we are dividing category 1, category 2. Category 1 is which connects to those letters who comes before it, and category 2 is which connects to all letters. Word darwaza contains only category 1 characters except hai hathi. Alif is a letter of category 1 and Pe is a letter of category 2. So it connects to all letters. For example, Bulbul, Bag, Rahbar, Khyber, Gaib. Pe is a letter of category 2. So it also connects with all words. For example, Parwaz, Jhampir, Kapi, Lep. Te is a letter of category 2. Here are few examples. Tala, Talwar, Katab, Kutub, Ret, Dant, Tang, Khatak, Sat. Se is a letter of category 2. Examples: Samar, Kasir. Jim is also a letter of category 2. Examples: Judge, Jacobabad, Jaisaka, Ranj. Hai is a letter of category 2. There are few examples: Hajam, Kahat, Sahi. Khai is a letter of category 2. Examples: Khargosh, Darakht, Sikh, Cheek,
क्या आपको मालूम है उर्दू तुर्की ज़बान का लफ्ज़ है और इसके मायने हैं लश्कर। डू यू नो उर्दू इज़ अ वर्ड ऑफ टर्किश लैंग्वेज एंड इट मीन्स आर्मी। Well, that was a general knowledge fact about Urdu. We are trying to make our videos interesting and informative for you. Dal belongs to category 1. Darwaza, Adrak, Adad, Gend. Dal belongs to category 1. Daku, radar, radio, झंडा, ठंड. जाल belongs to category 1. ज़खीरा, ज़र्रा, कागज़. रे belongs to category 1. Examples: रेलगाड़ी, रुकावट, हार. डे belongs to category 1. खिड़की, भेड़, बाढ़. ज़य belongs to category 1. Examples: अज़दहा, television. Television of English is slightly different from television of Urdu. Zay belongs to category 1. There are examples: Zaraat, Zarkhez, Neza, Baz, Raz. You can see Raz, all are separate, no one is connected. It is because all characters are members of category 1. Whenever category 1 members meet each other, they stay in their original form. It is end of today's lesson. Wait for our next lesson. And our today's question is, do any word start from day in Urdu language? Inshallah, we will cover remaining alphabets in our next video.